Week 3 team assignment, step 2. So this is what each team member will do. So we are going to cite the ticker name of our company, which is in cell A1 of our spreadsheet, of the sheet for us. And we're going to put these in the same order that we see them listed here. The first one being our main company, and then the other companies in their respective order. And then we're going to cite all our data starting from cell C26, all our revenue data. And we're just going to cite that first one, and then we're going to autofill it down all the way to this line 21. And then on line 22, we're going to cite whatever method we have found the best MAPE to be. We're going to just cite that first one and then autofill it down. And we're also going to yellow it. And then we're going to cite our MAPE. But when we get it, it'll just be a decimal. And so we're going to have to format it in a percentage with 2 decimal places. And then we're going to type in an abbreviation of what method we used. And the shortcuts for that, we actually can't use Control-G while we're making a formula. When you go equal, you can't go Control-G to find the cell that you use. You just have to use arrows. So you'll be doing things like moving to the end with Control arrow, or just arrowing up and arrowing down. You'll be selecting a bunch of attached cells with Shift Control arrow. You'll be selecting a block to autofill with Shift arrow. And we'll be autofilling with Control D. You'll be navigating sheets back and forth a lot with Control Alt, page up, page down. We'll be using Control 1 to format the cells. This is when we get them as a percentage with 2 decimal places. In the browser, we're going to be Control Tab, Shift Control Tab to move in pages in the browser. So with that, Control Tab to get to the next one. Actually, let's go. I should have gone Control Shift Tab to get to the previous one. And I'm going to start. I'm going to say that what if I'm the first team member? Because I'm out of the spreadsheet. It's not responding to me, so I have to click to get back in. It's so sad. So I'm going to go Control Home. That's one way to get up to A1, and I'm going to go to whichever row I'm in according to whichever order of this company. So I'm just going to go what if in the first one, and I'm going to type in equal to cite, and then I'm going to go Control Alt, page up, page up, page up, page up, page up. I'm going to go Control Home to the very first cell, and then Enter. And so I have the name now. Now I'm going to go equal. I don't know why this chart appeared. Okay, now I'm going to go equal. And it's going to get it from C26 of my sheet. So Control Alt, page up, page up, page up, page up, page up, and move down to C. I'm just going to go Control down, and then down one more with my arrow key, and then that's the very first one, C26, Enter. Then I'm going to go back to that cell. I'm going to hold down Shift and arrow down to line 21. There, and go Control D to autofill it, and then Control down again to the last one, and then down. And now I'm going to project my future projections. This is the 2025 quarters. So equal, and then Control Alt, page up, page up, page up, page up, page up. And then for me, my one for my company that got the lowest MAPE was 13.36, which is regression. So my 2025 data starts here. And then just going to cite the first one, Enter. And then I'm going to go back to that, and let's make it yellow right now. So it's Alt, H for home, H again for color. I'm going to go down 6, 7, and across 3 to make it yellow. Now I'm going to hold down Shift and go down just the 3 more quarters, so to include all 4 quarters, and Control D, and it's all in. Now I'm going to cite my MAPE equal, and then Control Alt, page up, page up, page up, page up, page up, and then down to the MAPE for that one right here. Enter. And it's not the right percentage, so I'm going to go Control 1, and I'm going to hit tab and then down arrow, and I'm going to choose percentage, enter, and then I'm going to tab one more time. Actually, 2 is what I want, so enter. Now I'm going to escape that, and then the method, mine is regression. I'm just going to say abbreviated REG for regression, and that's my one.